Manipur experienced a surge in temperature in the last few days, prompting health experts to issue precautionary measures to avoid dire health conditions related with extreme heat. Chandel and Jiripam district recorded an unprecedented 40 degrees Celsius during daytime, while Ada Valley district recorded 32 degrees Celsius. The weather department predicts the state will experience 31 to 33 degrees Celsius during daytime and 18 to 20 degrees Celsius during night for the next 5 days. Temperature will reach 33 degrees Celsius during daytime and 18 degrees Celsius during night on Sunday. Friday recorded the highest nighttime temperature in the past few days with 20 degrees Celsius. On Saturday, Chandel and Teknopal district recorded 40 degrees Celsius while Jiribam recorded 38 degrees Celsius. Smoke Social Maker Organization Kudong Pupi Mamang Development Association and local Mera Paibis today jointly organized a tree plantation program in and around Kudong Pupi, Mamang Awang Laikai. The proscribed UNLF has refuted the claim by security forces that one of the outfit's cadres was among 7 cadres belonging to 3 different underground groups who were arrested on May 10. A statement of the outfit described the report a fake arrest drama. To monitor and scout for the devastating insect fall armyworm in different crop stage, a one-day officer training program on the fall armyworm management was held in Imphal yesterday. A case of fraudulent medical practice by a doctor came to light in North Lakipur of Assam. The Dr. Avina Saikia has been continuing medical practice in Lakipur and Dhemji district using the registration number of other doctors. FIR has been lodged at North Lakipur police station against the fake doctor. 2 militants are believed to have been killed in an encounter between security forces and a group of militants in South Kashmir, Sofia today. The encounter broke out during a pre-dawn operations of security forces at Hand Saturia village. 4 insurgents armed with rifles and grenades attacked a luxury hotel in Pakistan's southwestern coastal town of Gurdwara yesterday, triggering an intense long-hour shootout in which one hotel guard and all the attackers were killed. A North Korean cargo ship seized by US on suspicion that it was used to violate international sanctions arrived at the capital of American territory yesterday. The Wise Honest was towed to the port of Pago Pago and docked at the main docking sections of Pago Pago Harbor in the afternoon.